సభకు తెలియజేస్తాం.
ఎఫ్ఎండి जी.
Thank you, Chairman Sahab. I take the opportunity to participate in the discussion on the Telangana Municipality Amendment Bill and Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation Amendment Bill and Telangana Panchayat Raj Amendment Bill. The Panchayat Raj Municipality and GHMC Amendment Bill are interrelated, and apart from repealing the three ordinances issued by the government, these bill contains provision relating to reservation in the rural and urban local bodies and the formation of HEDRA. The provision in both the amendment bill relates to the merge of 51 Gram Panchayat is in nearby municipalities as part of the government plan to expand the Hyderabad urban area up to Outer Ring Road to form the Telangana core urban region. Under the chairmanship of Legislative Affairs Minister, on the recommendation of Cabinet Subcommittee, Ordinance number 1 and 3 were issued on 31st August 2024. Now, the bill has been introduced by the government to replace the ordinance and include some additional provisions. Chevella, Moinabad, Kohir and other are being upgraded into municipalities. Some Gram Panchayat are merged into some municipalities and corporation. Mehboob Nagar and Mancherial are upgraded into municipal corporation. We welcome the move to form Chevella, Moinabad, Kohir and other municipalities and to upgrade Mehboob Nagar into municipal corporation. The statement of object and reason for Panchayat Raj Amendment Bill says that further it is proposed to establish common urban governance structure for this area. Similarly, the statement of object and reason for Municipalities Amendment Bill point out that the government plan to come up with a suitable administrative structure for the entire region within Outer Ring Road, overlapping ORR and outside ORR areas, which are having a similar urban growth perspective. The statement further add that the objective is have to a suitable administrative structure proportional with the rapid urban growth taking place here. The statement of object and reason for the GHMC Amendment Bill relating the formation of HEDRA. एंडोमेंट एंड विजिलेंस डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट के ओहदे पर तकर्रुर कब किया गया, हेड्रा का जियो कब इशू किया गया, हेड्रा के जो इशू पर ऑनरेबल कोर्ट में कब ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट में कब चैलेंज किया गया। और मैं ये भी जानना चाहूँगा साहब कि ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट ने अपने जजमेंट में इस बात को वाजे कर दिया कि हेड्रा को कोई